Hey, Anuj, I have one question about, it's not question about the inquiry.
Yeah, go ahead.
So, people send us the email that there will be the assignment and we'll practice that assignment during the off time, when the class was not there. So I tried to look, but I didn't see the assignment.
Yeah, I gave some assignments in here. You looked in this folder, assignments.
Did you guys find the assignment or not?
No.
Okay. Did you guys see this assignments folder?
Yes. Okay. My computer is not working, so I'm just listening in the phone. But yeah, I saw the assignment folder, and when I click, and I found that the older assignment.
Oh yeah. Yeah, because like so those assignments were completed. I'm sure about the one with in which you created the project domain, but you guys are yet to configure many servers remotely because that is a critical task. Okay. And for the assignment 3, you guys need to install a project in Windows environment as well. And assignment 4 is for basically creating two database and multi-data source setting. Because like we didn't show the multi-data source in type, real time. So we are yet to create that. Okay, so today I will add some more for the JMS and etc. Clustering you guys have already completed, logins, we have, CTBC we have. Yeah. Okay, so like when you work on these two, then if you face any issue, we can like work on that. Okay, sure, Vinod and Amit. Said
What is it? The share screen?
okay, sorry. Yeah, my screen is shared. Are you able to see the screen?
Yeah, I can see it now.
Okay, okay. Fine. Yeah, for assignment one you guys have already created, but I didn't get any update on assignment 2, 3, and 4. So like
Configure manage server remotely independently on different machine like we created in the Amit's and mine, right?
yeah, but we did only for the like I did actually. You did, but yeah. If you will have to do it again so that like you're comfortable. You guys are comfortable.
Uh-huh.
Because like usually that is the most common task which you will be performing in environments, and this is something like which will be quite difficult, like how to proceed for such thing. That's why it's
Uh-huh.
important. Because like mostly I have seen that people's working on this thing like incorrectly. But we have the standard practice in the presentation. We can just follow that steps. So those are the official steps from like how they want it to be configured in that way. And Yeah, for assignment 3, basically you will need to, so that will take a lot of time because you guys will need to install Weblogic and Windows as well. But right now you guys are working in Ubuntu only. So you can work on this whenever you got chance to install in Weblogic in Windows environment. Yeah, but fourth one you guys have already like created half. So you guys created data source, and in that data source we check the connectivity as well. But we didn't created a multi-data source. We checked the concept of multi-data source for load balancing and failover. So for that actually we need to create a multi-data source as well. We didn't try that because at that time we had to like create two databases. You guys have already created a database. So try to create one more database using same tool, and then we can have two data sources, and they needs to be configured under multi-data source. When you like start creating that, then you get like multiple questions. You can work out that at that time. Okay. And yeah, I will today add couple of for JMS. We will be covering some topics for JMS today. And yeah, we will add some more for self-signed certificates as well. Because like this week, like we have covered almost everything. So the only thing is the practice. The more we practice, the more questions we will be having. Okay. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
So I get a lot of questions, saying like how to find a ticket source.
Which one?
Like a ticket searching, and fixing.
I didn't get you.
Hold on, let me find the question and I'll let you know in a little bit. Okay?
Sure. Okay.
Like a trouble ticket research.
Mm-hmm.
Do you do it in your like work day-to-day life, like right now?
Ticketing is like different thing. Like that is like that depends on every project to project. So,
Like you said, trouble ticket research and troubleshooting and patching some ticket or something like that.
that is like if someone has a problem, they will raise a ticket. It's something like similar to like how you lodge your complaint. So if your internet is not working, you raise a ticket. If some user is not able to access some application or he's facing some issues with the application, then they might.
They will send us ticket, or we have to find the ticket.
No,
Trouble ticket.
definitely they will send you the ticket. Right how that someone is facing an issue.
We have to fix it, right?
Yeah, they will say that okay, we are not able to access this application. Then you are the administrator of that application, so you need to figure out you must be having some inventory. So you will look out there that where on which servers this application is running. Then you need to check out the console status if all servers are running, my application is not available. So it could be some issue with the user's network or user might not be having like proper settings in browser. Could be anything, even your if managed server is down or your managed servers are down, then probably React is not available. Like those things like depends on the that particular situation basically.
Uh-huh.
So there can be multiple reasons for everything. Okay, so last time we created file store. Okay, I guess who was working? Amit or Vinod on JMS?
JMS?
Yeah,
That was me, Amit?
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so what is pending is we created the file store, but we are yet to create a JDBC file store, and we
Yeah.
need to also see how the messaging bridge works. Okay. Okay. So let me make a document. Can you go to the console?
Oh, you doing? Yeah. I'm trying to start my Weblogic folder. Give me one second.
Okay, okay.
Okay, Amit. I mean,
Go to JMS messaging. Yeah, so we already have. Just see if the server Amit is up and running.
what about Amit? In the main server
Yeah, Amit.
has to be running, right? Running, right?
Yeah, otherwise DMS resources will be down. Okay, it is shut down. We need to start it. Okay, it's coming up. this is a persistent store which we were previously using. Let's do one more thing. Uh, Go to persistent stores. Do we have the JDBC data source which we created earlier?
Did we create a JDBC?
We created a JDBC data source.
We just did a file store, no? Before? That's
No,
why.
no, in earlier session, like quite some time back. Go to JDBC data sources.
Let me see. Where is it?
It will be where right where you have the pointer.
Path,
No, just below that data sources.
data source.
Yeah. So we have advertisement TP.
Yeah, advertising.
Okay. Just click on that. Okay. Have you clicked on it?
Huh?
Yeah, just click on it. Okay, go to monitoring. We are just seeing if it is up and running.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so right now it's, can you like go to targets?
It's ABC. Yeah.
Yeah, just target it to Amit as well. Amit.
What
Yeah.
about the ABC?
You can, that is fine. Okay, you can save.
Because the ABC is not running right now.
Yeah, no issue. It will be up when they are up. Okay, so it's still, yeah, because the TV is down right now. Can you go to XAMPP and start the DB?
You said X?
XAMPP, the tool which we downloaded for MySQL.
Oh.
No, it's already installed. XAMPP. Okay, nothing is coming. This is some dictionary.
Maybe
Go back. I guess you installed it sometimes. Yeah.
uh,
Yeah, it might be in your home directory, bin directory.
home. What do you say home?
User. It's not here. Go to the home directory or desktop. Desktop. Okay, go to terminal, new session and terminal.
Terminal?
Yeah, XAMPP. Yeah, search here.
Yes, I'm searching. Okay.
Yeah, try here XAMPP. Which
Fine.
no, you can use this command.
Which?
Yeah, which XAMPP.
That's it?
Yeah. Okay, I didn't find that. Try this command as well. Where is XAMPP?
Where?
Yeah, where is? No, there is as well.
Oh,
Where is?
where's? Like this?
No, is.
Where is?
XAMPP. No, I guess you need to ignore that space
No.
between where and is. Yeah.
Where is?
I didn't find it anywhere. So I guess you installed it.
I did install it. Let me check that. Um,
You go to user, check in user bin.
User?
Yeah, go to user bin. USR in the last bin. Let's see.
Bin here.
Go to bin folder.
Bin is empty. Oh, now it's coming.
Just search here if XMPP is there. Yeah. Hmm.
Uh, there's no command, any more command to, this the one, XAMP right here, this one?
Hmm. Yeah, click on that. Let's see. That more seems like some blank browser.
No,
Yeah, it's just
this is the picture, right, image?
okay. Go to this directory.
One? Hello, Anush?
Yeah.
I think he has to install it again because I had installed it in my laptop and then it installed and then I installed it again and it is working now.
No, it will work, but at that time it might have started, but after rebooting you need to figure out where it is. Like it is installed already, so you just need to find out where it is. Can you go to this location?
Which one?
I posted in chat.
This one? LAMPP or XAMPP?
No, LMP.
Right here. I see LAMPP right here.
Yeah, just LAMPP again and then start. No. LAMWP. No, LAMWP.
Start. Enter.
Just a second. Do you have the URL which you tried earlier?
Which URL? Oh, this one? That was for the Wikipedia.
No. This URL. Localhost XAMPP, which we were using earlier. No. Copy in, paste in your browser.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah, go to terminal. Yeah, just we need to use /lambp start. Okay. Yeah. Just add in sudo in the start. Sudo, then the same command.
This one?
Yeah. Yeah, you need to get the password. Okay, I guess it is started. Now open the URL. So
We have already
you can,
installed it.
I can go to PHP my admin.
PHP info.
No, in the last. Okay. And there was a window as well which you opened that time which was showing multiple components.
Window.
XMPP control panel. Can you go to terminal again? Okay. Can you run ls-lrt? Can you go a little bit up?
It says root. Is this the one you're trying to look? XAMPP?
Can you run this manager Linux x64.run?
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Tab is not working.
I'll just copy this.
Still no such file.
What is it saying?
No such file. The permission denied.
Yeah, just append sudo
No.
because everything is like root, so you need to add sudo for every executor. Yeah.
Started.
Yeah, so this is the control panel. Go to click on manage servers. Okay, so Apache web server is running, MySQL is running. Okay, fine. Okay, you can close this window or you can keep it open so we can use it later. Okay, now go to console and activate the changes because DB is up now. Previously DB was down, so that's why we were not able to make the changes. Okay, now go to monitoring and you should be able to see some more sessions. Right, so you can see that it's there. Okay, so let's just create a JDBC persistent store. Go to persistent stores. So we will use, we will create a persistent store as a JDBC. Previously we checked out the file store based persistent store which was created on our server, but it will be created in database. So go to persistent stores in under messaging.
Messaging.
Yeah, log and edit and create new.
JDBC store, right?
Create JDBC store. Right? So actually you have two options only. File store is in like file based and JDBC storage for like JDBC. Yeah, target you can make Amit. Well, right now we are creating it for JMS server, which is on Amit. So that's why we have made it Amit. Data source is required, so you can select the data source because yeah, select data source. There is an option there, data source. Click on the drop down.
It's only not currently specified. We need to create.
No, it should actually automatically pick up. There is nothing coming in the drop down.
No, it's just the same thing. It said not currently specified.
Okay. Can you go to JDBC data sources?
Resources, you said?
Yeah, go to JDBC data sources.
Where? I don't see a JDBC. I
No, no,
see
no. In services, and when you go to home page and then JDBC. Yeah.
it's on batch services,
No, no, no. Data sources.
data sources.
Okay, so you already have a data source created here. Can you go to configuration? Yeah, click on this. Go
Where
in,
the data.
yeah, go inside the targets. Now just target it to Amit only. You can,
Yeah.
yeah, remove it from admin server as well. Okay, yeah, I'll just save it. Okay, now go to JMS resources again, persistent stores. Okay, create another one, ADPC. Now see if we are seeing anything in data source.
No.
Okay.
Is it because of the same name or?
Oh yeah, right. Previously we didn't create it, so we are creating it for the first time. You can see. So you can create a new data source here. Yeah, select a main.
Select Amit.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that we can change later.
Okay.
Okay, JDBC data source, chain. Yeah. Database here is MySQL.
Then their name is it necessary or we?
Oh yeah, you can give as well.
What's the like a professional name like we should give?
Usually the purpose why it is being for which application it is being used. So just like last time we used for the our advertisement application, so that's why we gave it name as advertisement.
Uh-huh.
You can change it to like JMS so that we like whenever we see we will remember that okay it is related to JMS component because we will be using it for JMS as a persistent store. And usually you can have the name and JNDI name as same.
Oh, okay. Next.
Yeah, that is fine. Yeah, we'll click next. Okay, so for these details, you need to go to XMPP.
Go to where?
Uh, Open the same Weblogic console in another session. Open this session.
Same one?
Yeah, just copy this and then after it. Actually, we already created the data source earlier, right? So we will be having the DB details in that.
Okay.
Yeah, go to resource.
Server?
No, go to data sources here. So we will just, because we earlier created a data source, so we will just grab the details from there. Yeah, go inside.
Go here.
Yeah. Yeah, go to connection pool. Okay, so username is Weblogic 1
One.
and URL is localhost 3306 and the DB name is task domain. Can you copy the DB name task domain?
URL or just this one?
Just the DB name. Yeah.
Okay.
And the username is Weblogic1. Okay.
Huh?
Okay, yeah. Just put it here.
Database name.
Yeah.
Test.
Yeah. Host name is localhost. Port is the same 3306. Username is Weblogic1. And do you remember the password?
Password?
Yeah, do you remember?
I think my same password, right?
Yeah. Okay. Next.
Save it.
No. Can you press back button?
What is it?
Just press go back.
Go back.
Yeah.
Go back right here.
Yeah, again go back. Once more. No, just go back 2 times.
Go 2 times.
Yeah, it is on the cache page. Yeah, Ryan, I guess you need to create from scratch. Create a new data source. Yeah, same details.
That is my dashboard name. Okay.
Yeah, click next. Mm, okay, click next. Test connection. There must be a button. Test configuration.
Yes.
I think the password is somewhat different.
Password is different. Huh? Uh, so if I don't remember the password, then what should I do? Like, you know?
Then you will need to like reset the password MDB.
Because I don't know what's the password we put. I think we put the Weblogic one or something.
Right now you gave Weblogic one.
Before password is Weblogic one, maybe change to Weblogic.
Try giving the password that you have given for Weblogic.
That's what I gave earlier.
Okay, then try Weblogic one.
Password. Amit,
Huh?
now that you remember the password?
Yazaki wala ni. I think it's Yazaki ke bani.
I gave Yazaki one, but it's not working. Using password.
Still not working?
The password I forgot on this.
I'll try. Did you try your Ubuntu password as well?
I put that one too. Yeah.
Still not working. Okay, you can create a new database as well. So let's just create another database. No, 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 not. Just go there.
What should we do about this?
Yeah, just pause it here. Go. Hmm. First, close this tab which you have opened beside settings.
Which,
Go
which
to
tab?
adjacent tab. Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't understand. You said close this.
No,
Okay.
no, no. The second tab which we have opened for Logic.
This one, close it.
Yeah. Right.
Okay.
Like it's messing things. Now release configuration.
What? What are you saying?
There in change center release configuration. Yeah. Okay. Now go to data sources. Go to persistent source. Yeah. Lock and edit.
You.
Yes.
To Amit, right?
And no, no, wait. Can you still just click on the drop down once? No, 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 not here. Data source. Okay. Yeah, you can try creating a new data source. Not sure why. Actually, it should come the one which we have created already.
This all has to be default setting.
Um, what? Yeah, default settings.
The database name. The same
Yeah,
one.
same one.
Weblogic one.
Yes.
Asking the password.
Yeah, try the one which you gave earlier.
Which one? Yazaki one or the Weblogic one?
I guess Weblogic one. The same password which you have. Like, I think username and passwords we put it. That thing.
Weblogic one. Test.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if we can't find the password, we can go in a log file and try to see or no?
No. Your password will not come anywhere. Go to the last tab.
It says last tab.
Create a new data. We can create a new database.
Go to the home.
No. Go to last Google Chrome tab for PHP MyAdmin. So we need to create a new database. Okay. So yeah, click on give a database name. You can give any name like JMS database or something like that.
So what is all this?
This is like for DB, so you can just keep it same.
Relation?
Yeah.
Or the that in Swedish?
Oh no, first click on create. Okay, now go to JMS DB.
Same.
No, you can just ignore that. Just go to users. I guess in privileges maybe. So see, we have Weblogic one user is there.
Mm-hmm.
You can create a new user.
MS user?
Oh yeah, nice. Just keep in one case only everything, because if like we forget case also then
Like this?
yeah. JMS user. Yeah, password you can give.
MS user?
Hmm.
Generate?
No. Generate it will generate random password. Whatever, like it's a good practice, like whatever passwords or things we are putting, usually like you can note it down somewhere so that once you come back there like in some months or some years, then you don't have
Uh-huh.
there is no cache game, so we have the username password details in there, then you can directly refer it from there. Like that's what we also do, like we store everything in some Excel files and everything. Because if I left, then someone else should be able to look out for those things.
Yeah.
Yeah, just come down. Come down a little bit. Yeah, so you can just give global privileges, check all. Yeah, just click on go in the end. Okay. Seems very good. Click on again. Click again on privileges. Okay, so we have JMS user also created. Okay, so you can use these details in Weblogic now.
Go to Weblogic.
Yeah.
Create again.
No, you are already there. Just change the DB name and username. Yeah, you need to change DB name as well.
Why saying the same thing?
Okay, can you go to your admin server? Go to admin server logs.
Yeah.
Yes. No. Okay, that's fine. Just go to admin server logs.
From terminal, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, admin server logs and user projects domains. So
CD home.
yeah.
Class home. Okay.
No, not bin. One directory back, that servers, admin server, then logs.
It said this is one direct back.
No, from here, servers, then admin server, then logs.
Oh.
Yeah, now using less command, open the last file. Use ls7lrt because in this slide you will not know this LTS.
Less.
Yeah, admin server.log. Yeah, just go in the last. Can you maximize the window? You go up. Just saying access denied for user, JMS user.
Says error right here.
Mhm.
I just saw the error.
Just giving access denied. Here, can you go back to PHP? There is a small button just where PHP My Administrator. There is a home button there, and just adjacent to that there is one other button, that is query window. Is there anything for commit?
Comment?
No, no. There must be some button or some option there for commit option.
Is it on top right here somewhere?
Let me see.
You know what is this at the bottom?
No, that is fine. Okay, can you click on JMS TV?
Where? From privilege?
Just create one table.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, just create any table. Test table I will create.
Yes.
That's fine, you can just
Save. Missing value in the form.
just
Do I
fill out the first row, give any name.
integer length value?
That will take default value. So you can just input another row as well.
Four, all four?
No, two is fine. Click save now. Okay. Okay. Click on go in the end. Okay, that's fine. We don't need another one. Okay.
We don't need it, right?
Mhm. Do one thing. Just restart the MySQL.
Restart.
Go to we opened XAMPP manager.
This one?
From terminal we opened. No. Go to terminal. CD, OPT, LAMPP, the place from where we started our manager.
Oh, that one.
Mhm. Right.
It says
Yeah,
not
you
found.
need to go to that path.
The path.
I guess I pasted in chat. I guess it was this one.
No, yeah, yeah. You mean this one?
Yep. Go to manage servers. Or just stop MySQL and start it. Now try to do this thing from the edit.
go do
Yeah, click on test configuration. Are you giving the same password which we created for JMS user?
yeah, I gave the password, good password.
What is the password?
The password was JMS user.
Hmm.
Username and password was the same.
Okay. And still not working. It's still saying access denied for user connection password.
Access denied for user JMS.
Hmm. That means the connectivity is not working from here to database.
So we have to do this in the day-to-day life too, like
No, actually, right now we are the DB only, so we must be doing something wrong in DB probably.
so the DB create all that tables and stuff, and we just have to connect with it.
Yes, so he will provide all the information and we just put it here.
So they provide all the information, and we just put it right here.
Yes. But right now the seems username password is not working. It is access denied.
I don't know why, because the password I gave the JMS user, so I won't forget.
Can you go to PHP? PHP admin. Okay. Go to local server. Click on privileges. Okay. Can I click on this JMS user, edit privileges? Click on database.
Database.
Yeah, it is written there are four big buttons: global database, change password, login information. Okay, click on login information. Host, you can give local host. And password you have already changed. Keep the same password. JMS user, JMS user.
Do you need to give the password too?
Yeah.
Okay, JMS user. Okay.
Yeah, just
Go.
click on go.
Yeah. Now probably we go here.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think it's because of the local host.
Yeah, it could be. But I was not able to find that particular
There was
percentage.
like any host, right?
Yeah,
Okay. See, now its connection test succeed.
yeah. Click on next.
Only down here.
Yep. Click finish. Oh, but you didn't choose data source, right?
I didn't choose data source.
Yeah. Click login edit.
No, yeah, we created, remember? So there's no, see,
Mm-hmm. Hmm.
you should have it in the drop down list, right?
Yeah. Try restarting your admin server. Let's see if that comes.
This starting.
Admin server. Restore admin server.
Nothing. Okay. Why the terminal got, okay, it's restarted.
Okay, go to persistent stores.
So we have to create again.
But you already created, right?
Yeah, it should have shown here, right?
Can you check that in data sources if it is created?
Here.
It is there, right? JDBC is
Uh-huh.
equal 0.
Yeah.
Okay, then yeah, let's create again. Try to create again. generic JDBC data
Um,
source for persistent store. Give some other name because you already created an JDBC store. Just give some JMS. Here still not
here?
coming.
Yeah, it should come right here, right?
Right. So it is weird, it should come usually whatever the data source you have in it, all the stuff come here. But you can select the JDBC data source like which you want. So in such situations in which we already created but it is still not reflecting here, we need to go and check with Oracle support. So like we already tried everything on the line. Even we like tried creating a new data source but it is not showing it here. Okay, so okay. So right now we are in like training environment, so we cannot contact Oracle. But yeah, when for your production environment or like where the things are critical, you will be having access to Oracle, so you can go there and ask those that okay, I was creating this and creating this, and I'm doing everything correct, but still it is not showing in the console or target. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So
But usually it should show in the data source, right? The name that we just created.
yeah, the name usually whatever we created that will show up here, and then it will automatically create a new table in
Uh-huh.
database. And like once you are able to see that here and you click on that, so rest of the things your project will take care. It will go to that particular database. It will create all the necessary like tables. Okay. And whenever you place any JMS message in your queue, then that will for persistent store that message will go to the database. Previously it was going to the .dat file when we used file based persistent store. You can release configuration. Okay. So that was basically for file store and JDBC file store. So you get an idea that why we use different file stores. So when we use JDBC file store, everything is stored remotely. So even if your whole box crashes, then your JMS messages will be present in the database. So like whenever later your application comes up, okay, it will automatically connect to the data source. It will like restore the messages from that particular data source which we have configured. Okay, let me make the presenter. Okay, so that was for JMS. We checked all the JMS things. We checked the sub deployments. We checked queues, persistent source, and everything. So in that, the only thing which is pending is a project messaging bridge. So how to use those particular bridges and like how you can configure those. Okay, so that you will see tomorrow probably. Okay. Okay, so any queries here? Vinod, Amit, or Sadev? Any queries? Amit, or Sadev? Are you guys able to hear me? Hello? 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 Amit, Vinod, Sadev, are you guys able to hear me? I'm not sure. I am not able to hear you guys. Oh, not sure. Okay, can you guys say something?